What if I told you there is one ingredient in your kitchen that can boost your metabolism, give you glowing skin, and help you lose weight, all while making your food taste amazing? Let's uncover the magic of olive oil. Hey, beautiful souls! Welcome back to Likita's Foodie Studio, where healthy eating meets pure joy. I'm Likita, and today we are diving into the golden secret of Mediterranean kitchens, that is olive oil. I will show you how to choose, use, and maximize its incredible benefits of your health and your recipes. Well, why do people call olive oil liquid gold? It's packed with over 30 powerful antioxidants called phenolic compounds. According to the recent 2024 studies, just 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil daily can reduce your risk of heart diseases by 15% and boost your metabolism by up to 8%. It fights inflammation and supports healthy aging. Not all olive oil is created equal. Navigating the olive oil aisle can be tricky, but understanding the types is key to unlocking its full potential. So, this is where most people get confused. Extra virgin olive oil. It is cold pressed, unrefined, and bursting with nutrients, ideal for dressing, dips, and finishing your dishes, where its delicate flavor and health benefits shines. Secondly, virgin olive oil, slightly more processed than the extra virgin olive oil, yet still a good choice for light cooking. It retains a decent amount of its beneficial compounds. Regular olive oil, highly refined, with fewer health benefits and best suited for high eating cooking, where its neutral flavor won't overpower the dish. For maximum benefits and flavor, always prioritize extra virgin olive oil. And here is what you have to look for when you're shopping for olive oil: dark glass bottles, where it protects the oil from light, preserving its delicate antioxidants and flavors. Harvest date, check for the date within the last 18 months for peak freshness and potency. Discover how this versatile ingredient transforms your health from inside out. Healthy fats keep you satisfied, curbing craving and promoting fat burning. Hence, olive oil is a best weight loss booster. Olive oil is rich in vitamin E and antioxidants. It fights aging for a radiant complexion, resulting in a glowing skin. It reduces bad cholesterol and inflammation by 17%, safeguarding your cardiovascular health. It supports memory and sharp cognitive function, keeping your mind agile. Olive oil helps to regulate glucose and insulin sensitivity, promoting stable energy levels. Incorporating olive oil into your daily routine is simpler than you think. Here are some of the practical ways to enjoy its benefits. Tablespoon to your smoothie for lasting energy and a smooth texture. During your lunchtime, drizzle over salads with fresh lemon for a vibrant, healthy dressing. Set your veggies on medium heat for a flavorful, nutritious side dish. And mix it with a favorite herb as a wholesome dip for whole grain bread. Save your best extra virgin olive oil for rare dishes. High heat can diminish some of its precious nutrients. Maximize your olive oil's life and benefits by steering clear of these pitfalls. Keep it in a cool, dark place, never near your stove or in direct sunlight, which can degrade its quality. Extra virgin olive oil has a smoke point of 190 degrees Celsius. Avoid high heat cooking to preserve its nutrients and flavor. Quality truly matters. Invest in a reputable brand to ensure you are getting authentic benefits and superior taste. We love hearing how you incorporate olive oil into your culinary adventure. Share your favorite tips and tricks with our community. Do you prefer its fresh, peppery notes in a raw dishes, or do you rely on its smooth richness for cooking? Is something we would love to discuss. How do you use olive oil in your kitchen? Are you a team salad drizzle or team satute? Share your favorite olive oil hack in the comments below. I love reading your tips and stories. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up. For more ingredient deep dives and healthy recipes, hit subscribe button and ring the bell button. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Remember, small changes make big differences. Start with just 1 tablespoon of quality olive oil a day and see the transformation in your energy, skin, and overall health. Keep cooking with love, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching us, and we will meet you soon with one more interesting video.